Hello friends, I'm back. So I hope napanood niyo yung video ko about us going to Cheongdam Food Hall for my husband's birthday. And now, itatry na natin itong spicy stir-fried fish cake and cucumber kimchi that I bought to go. Sobrang favorite ko tong stir-fried fish cake na to. Whenever we go to Korean barbecue, ito talaga yung nire-request ko. So I was happy that they have it packaged like this so I can eat it at home. So yeah, try natin. I'm so excited. Let's see. Okay. It's really good. Gusto ko tuloy ng kanin, but niya nagluto ng rice, so it's not that spicy. Sarap. Okay. This is from the GT Market, Green Table Market. Yeah, okay siya. Okay. Let's try the cucumber kimchi. May crunch pa. Okay. Okay then. So, very promising in GT Market. I feel like pag nag-crave ako ng mga banchan, we can drive there, buy several containers na ganito, and then maybe I can do yung Korean barbecue here at home. Kunwari makabili na lang ako ng sarili kong meat to barbecue. And then bibilin ko na lang tong sides kasi matrabaho tong sides. It's really good. Gusto ko tuloy ng bulgogi. Beef bulgogi. Sabang hilig ko ng Korean Korean food. Sana makarating ako sa South Korea someday. Bucket list. Okay. Yun lang for today. Thank you. Bye!